Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is a workflow video how to sculpt a bird beak or eagle beak, parrot, something here like this. Quack. Okay, so I start from the beginning. I delete everything and I add a plain primitive. So this is my front view here, and I use the gizmo snapping and I rotate the plane, come on, here in the front view, and then I rotate it in the right view, so like this here. And then I press validate and I use multi-resolution linear subdivision and increase the poly count. 270,000 vertices is okay. So the next thing I do is, because I rotated the plane, so here in the translation menu you can bake your object. The pivot you can reset, and you can fix the symmetry. So here object center and orientation, now the symmetry is aligned. Okay, so I turn off the wireframe, and the next thing is I use the mask tool or cell mask tool. So I turn the, now I use the polygon tool, and here at the top the symmetry I turn off. So now I start sketching my beak shape from the side. So maybe like this here. Yeah, I think you get it. So then I press, mask, and so I got now the mask here on the plane, and I press convert, so I get a new face group. So the next thing is mask extraction. So extract it here like this. So here the height, something about this here. So extract, I hide now the plane. Okay, this is my top view or my front view, and here for the, you see here the wireframe, it looks like this at the moment, so I press here voxel remesh, so I remesh the whole thing. Then it looks like this. And now I use the trim tool. So I also use a polygon, and symmetry is active. So I show the symmetry here. So here's my symmetry line. So maybe like this here. Okay. So again I do a voxel remesh. Okay, so now I split here, I use the split tool. So here I split the top and the bottom part. And so you see here at the moment this part is active, so I voxel remesh the whole thing. So I pressed here remesh and here also remesh. Okay, now I need the mask tool. So at the moment cell mask is active, rectangular, and so I turn auto validation off. So I draw here such a small rectangular shape, and I bring it here to the center and I mask it here. So I use masked, and now I select this one. Something happened. So like this here. So both parts are masked now in the center line. Okay. The next thing, I use the solo view. So I use again the mask. So here at the top, top menu, there's a button here on tab. So I deselect this, and now I use the masking tool, default mask. The radius is too big. So like this here. Maybe like this. And then I tap here with a finger. So then the whole shape is filled. And now I use decimation. So I press decimate, decimate, decimate. So this is nice. And now I use the operations menu. So here is a smoothing slider. You smooth the shape here like this. Sorry, doing a little bit too much. So I stop at this point. Or so this smoothing is okay. Again, I remesh the whole thing. And now I clear the mask. So here, clear button. So maybe I remesh again. Okay. So the next thing I use mask is active. So the mask tool. So I mask now. Oops. So this like this. And then inside masking, so, and then I press invert. Okay, so now I'm using the clay tool, the sub function, and I sculpt here the inside part away. So now I'm using the smooth tool, smooth, and I smooth it back. Or so from time to time you have to do a voxel remesh. So remesh and we can also use decimation from time to time. So then there are not so much vertices to smooth. So it looks okay. Here a little bit more and here. So I clear now the mask, and here in the top operations menu we can smooth it a little bit. So the smoothing slider, yeah. So now it looks okay. So on iOS I use always the quad remesher, so I remesh the whole thing here, maybe with this quad count. So then it looks like this. So, and then for the bottom part I use again. So first I use here this overlapping view, and I use the mask. So I draw here, you can see it at the moment. So, but when you use here solo view, you see here, this is yeah, the shape of the jaw, I think. So, and here I mask this one, and so it looks like this here. Okay, this is my shape, and here sorry, I think the intensity or something is too high, so it looks like this. This is okay. Like this. So I clear the mask. Now I use clay. So now the clay tool is active, and I clay here so like this here. So this is the view. So move tool. And maybe I trim here. So I use trim. Here. Okay, so I think the shape is now okay. I do a voxel remesh. And then I use a quad remesher. So maybe like this as a start for a bird head. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.